Hi Zeb, it's Pam. So, just kind of prefacing this, when I first started, I had the same issue that you're having. I had ed tech set mine up because I had no idea how to do it. However, I got him here and I kind of was messing around with it, and I was looking at the rule they created for me, and I figured out how to do it. I wasn't sure I would remember, but I think I did. But if for some reason it's not working for you, call EdTech and have them look at it and they can set it up for you. It's not a big deal. But I think I remember how to do it. So if you go to File, then you're going to go into Manage Rules and Alerts. So if you go into that, so the rule for mine is here. So it's basically apply the rule from PM6 and move to the sent folder. So anything that like mass emails, all of that are coming from me, like that I'm doing in like in Total View, any of those are going to get put to the sent folder and not show up in my inbox because it's a pain in the butt, right? So what you're going to do is you're going to do a new rule, and then it's basically move messages from someone. So that's already highlighted. So down here, you have to pick from who. So it's going to be from you. So for me, it would be, I'm just going to find my name for you. You would obviously find your name, hit from, hit OK. So then that's going to change down there. And then you're going to move it to a sent folder. So then you could do specified and you're going to hit sent and hit OK. So if we look at the rule, the other rule, it's exactly the same. So apply this rule. If the message arrives from PM6, move to sent folder items and stop processing rules. So it's exactly the same. And then I think you would go into next and then finish. I don't want to keep clicking because I don't want to mess my own up that I have already set up. So, but I think that that's the process that you'll do. So like I said, if you have questions, call EdTech. They can walk you through it or do it for you. But I think you should be good with this. So if you need anything else, let me know.